So this DSAT question is all about understanding the mindset of your examiner. So what is happening in this question? Once you put x as -9 over here, -9 plus 8 is -1, and -1 square is just 1. -9 plus 8 is again 1, and 1 square is again 1. And what should happen once you put f of -7, once you try to calculate f of -7 by substituting x as -7 over here? -7 plus 8 is positive 1. Square of 1 is 1 again. -7 plus 8 is positive 1, and square of 1 is 1 again. Which means what? You should get the same value of y when x is -9 as x is -7. So once the examiner wants me to calculate the value of f of -7, that should be equivalent to the value of f of -9, which is given to me as 25. So I know what is f of -7. That should be 25. Can we repeat the same procedure with the next coordinate? So what should happen once you put 0 over here? 0 plus 8 is 8 square 64. And 0 plus 8 is 8 square 64 again. Once you put -16 over here, -16 plus 8 is -8. But the square of that number is again positive 64. -16 plus 8 is again -8 square as positive 64. This means that when the value of x was 0, the value of y was 399, and that should be pretty much consistent with when the value of x is -16. So I'm going to put f of -16 as 399. All I have to do is that I have to add these two numbers, 399 plus 25, that should come out as 424. Now let's have a look at one more question. This question came up in DSAT October paper 2025. Now, let's see very carefully. The first value of x that we know is 539. So if I put 539, I will get 539 minus 9 as 530 and square of 530. And then I'm going to do square of 530. And if I put 539 over here again, 539 minus 9, that's again positive 530. Now, what should happen if I put negative 521 instead of positive 539? So negative 521 minus 9 would be negative 530, but the modulus of negative 530 would be positive 530. And again, you would be pretty much doing the square of the same number, 530 square. And if you repeat the process with this value of x over here, minus 521 minus 9, negative 530. But once this negative 530 would come out of the modulus symbol, it would again give you a positive 530, which means what? These values of y, I don't know what are these values of y, h, and k, but I do know both of these two values of y should be exactly equal to each other. And once you're subtracting two values which are equal to each other, the difference is always 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is always 1, and 1 times 32 is 32. And any number raised to the power 0, this would be again 0, because k and h are also equal. So 9 raised to the power 0 is 1, and 1 times 347 is again 347. All you have to do is that you have to add these two numbers, 347 plus 32, that is coming out as 379. Now let's have a look at one more question. Take the screenshot of this question and reply in the comment section what is the answer you're getting for q of 7 plus q of 4.